Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some cloudy conditions across the region this morning. Also seeing some slightly breezy northeasterly winds. That'll be the case throughout the day today with continued low clouds across the area. Winds out of the northeast around 10 to 15 knots, possibly gusting up as high as 23 knots. So we'll see a fairly cool day as well. Only highs in the lower 50s, possibly only seeing highs in the upper 40s along the coast today. Once we move into tomorrow, should see a cold front approach the area, giving us a chance of rain showers in the afternoon and evening hours. And Thursday looks like a washout across the region, with area low pressure moving through, seeing a good amount of rainfall, anywhere from about an inch to 2 inches of rainfall as it appears this time on Thursday. So taking a look at our current sounding from this morning, freezing level up at 12,000 feet. Winds are fairly light throughout the column this morning, only seeing a max wind at 16,000 feet out of the northwest, 25 knots. Our current surface analysis, we have high pressure ridging down from New England, and area low pressure well off the coast over the open waters of the Atlantic. Seeing a cold front starting to approach from the Ohio Valley. It's going to be moving towards the region, giving us a chance of some showers tomorrow and a good chance of rainfall on Thursday. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have lots of low clouds across the central and southern Delmarva this morning. Marine layer has come on shore, and we'll see this throughout the day today. Possibility of seeing a few breaks in the cloud cover this afternoon, but most likely, as it looks now, we're going to be socked in with this low cloud cover with ceilings between 500 and 1,000 feet today. And taking a look at the HRM model for the next few days here, you can see the rain shower activity dying off once it moves towards the region for this evening, and then overnight we'll see that rain shower activity start to pick back up by tomorrow morning across western portions of the Mid-Atlantic region. That's going to move towards our region for tomorrow afternoon, giving us a chance of rain showers tomorrow afternoon. Very slight chance of a thunderstorm as well tomorrow evening as this cold front moves through. Looks like those thunderstorm chances are only about 10 to 15% of this time. And then for Thursday, we're going to see an area low pressure develop along this stalled out boundary. That's going to give us rain shower activity throughout the day on Thursday with some of that moderate to heavy at times. And we'll see just some dreary conditions on Thursday overall. And taking a look at the GFS model, the long range here, you can see that frontal boundary struggling to get through the area for this evening into tomorrow. We'll see that frontal boundary over the area. And then on Thursday, we'll see that area low pressure move through with a good amount of rainfall across the region. Some models are putting out 2 inches plus across the region. Right now, expecting about 1 inch to 2 inches of rainfall with this system moving through. So for Friday, we'll see things start to clear out. We'll have an upper level trough over the eastern portion of the United States. It's going to give us some breezy conditions across the region. It'll be a little bit warmer than Thursday. We'll have a good amount of sunshine. So seeing those temperatures warm into the upper 50s on Friday. And then for Saturday, we'll see a few different systems try to approach the region for Saturday and Sunday for Easter weekend. We'll see a system starting to approach the region on Saturday, but we'll see some warmer air move in the region on Saturday with some mild conditions in the 60s. Only a slight chance of a shower Saturday night and Sunday. And then for Sunday, it looks like we're going to continue to see this boundary north of the region. We'll see a decent amount of sunshine as well. And we'll see temperatures in the mid to possibly upper 60s on Easter. So looking like a nice weather day on Easter as right now, with only that slight chance of a sprinkle Saturday night to Sunday. And we'll see a additional system move through, looks like on Sunday night into Monday, possibly giving us a few showers across the region. Right now, looks like Monday should be a bit cooler as that boundary sets up just south of the region, could be seeing a few sprinkles across the region, as I mentioned, but overall shouldn't see a lot of precipitation once we get past Thursday of this week. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, high around 50 degrees today, low at 42. See those winds possibly gusting as high as 23 knots. Winds have calmed down slightly from this morning, but could still see that wind gust of 23 knots today out of the northeast. Overnight, we'll see winds calm down easterly 5 to 10 knots and becoming variable less than 5 knots by tomorrow morning. But with that low-level humidity in the region, we'll see some patchy fog develop across the area overnight into tomorrow morning. Our low ceilings across the region will continue today, seeing ceilings anywhere from about 500 to 1,000 feet. We'll see reduced visibilities overnight with possibilities of fog with down to a 1 mile statute visibility. That patchy fog in the region or mist. And then by tomorrow morning, just continuing with overcast skies around 600 feet, 4 mile statute visibility, with some mist in the region. Our tides are about 1 to 2 feet above normal currently, and looking at Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday overcast with a chance of afternoon and evening rain showers, chance of low clouds and patchy fog in the morning, a high of 56 degrees for Wednesday night. Overcast, rain likely, very slight chance of a thunderstorm during the evening hours, I should say, of Wednesday night and Thursday, with a low of 48 degrees. And for Thursday, overcast, rain likely. Some of the rain could be heavy at times. It'll be slightly breezy late, a high of 52 degrees. So the next 7 days, seeing temperatures in the 50s from today through Friday. Slightly warmer on Friday with partly cloudy and windy conditions, so more sunshine allowing us to warm up into the upper 50s as it appears right now. And then looks like we'll see temperatures in the lower to mid 60s on Saturday, high of 62 degrees, and then possibly mid to upper 60s on Sunday. Right now, a high of 65. A little bit cooler on Monday as that boundary sags south of the region. Slight chance of some sprinkles on Saturday night into Sunday, as well as Sunday night into Monday at 20% chances for those two time periods. Not going to see any temperatures near freezing the next 7 days, so continuing with some mild air across the region in general, especially once we move into the weekend with temperatures in the 60s. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning, 8:15 and 10 a.m.